One of the top doctors at Spokane's VA Medical Center is suspended and being investigated for possible misconduct. A KXLY4 viewer tipped us off about this story. And now we are working for you to find out exactly what happened. Jeff Humphrey live at the VA Medical Center tonight. And Jeff, this has to do with patient consent forms.
And Nadine, those patient consent forms are what you sign before heading into surgery. And in this case, Dr. James Levette suspected of putting people under the knife without those forms being properly completed. Levette has been the chief of surgery here at the VA Medical Center for about 3 years now and credited with boosting level of surgical services. However, this investigation got us started as Levette was preparing to perform one of those surgeries. According to a source close to the investigation, a patient had been sent up to the surgical suite when nurses noticed the patient had not signed his consent form for the operation. Our sources say Levette asked the nurses to refresh the computer screen they were looking at, and suddenly the form was signed. The nurses found that odd because the patient that needed to do the signing was standing right behind them. The nurses went to their union president, who reported the incident to the hospital administration. The Inspector General's office was called, and now their investigators are looking at consent signatures on other surgeries assigned to Levette. Today, the VA released this statement saying the safety of our veteran patients is always top priority of the VA Medical Center. The VA is committed to providing quality health care to all veterans. Recent allegations raised are under active investigation. Appropriate actions will be taken when the investigation is complete. We embrace a culture where all employees are encouraged to report patient safety and quality issues to senior leaders. We are unable to comment any further at this time. And today, Nadine, we were not able to locate Dr. Levette for his comment on this story. Our calls to his former operation in Las Vegas were not returned.
Now, Jeff, we understand there's a lot more to these patient consent forms than just a signature.
More than just putting your name on them, because right before you put your name on them, this is when you're told about the risk of your surgery. This is when you're told that something horribly wrong might go down on that operating table, and you're also advised that the surgery you're about to receive may not fix what ails you, and so your informed consent is really the most important of all patient rights. Reporting live at the VA Medical Center, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.